Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The provincials of Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Uruguay and Paraguay, together with the Regional Councillor for America South Cone, Father Gabriel Romero, are participating in these days, 21st to 23rd October, in a formation and reflection meeting at the Theological Studentate at Los Canos in Santiago de Chile. The goal of the meeting is to discuss issues of common interest in the region, including the preparation for the 29th General Chapter of the Salesians of Don Bosco, which will take place in Valdoco from 16 February to 12 April 2025 on the theme Passionate About Jesus Christ, dedicated to young people. Living our Salesian vocation faithfully and prophetically. The meeting also includes several occasions for meeting and formation. In addition, the directors and their respective teams from the Salesian Brothers Regional Center CRESCO in Mexico and the Salesian Ongoing Formation Center for America in Ecuador will also be involved online to discuss the formation paths offered by the two continental bodies, share some news and together examine the needs for the coming years. On 19 October at 2 p.m., an event commemorating the 70th anniversary of the Salesians' presence in Korea, titled 70th Anniversary of the Salesian Charism in Korea, took place at the gymnasium of Gwangju Salesian High School, attended by over 300 members of the Salesian family and many Salesian middle and high school students. The event was conducted in two parts. The first part featured a concert format with choir performances by the Salesian middle and high school students, brass band performances, and introduction to the biography of Father Archimedes Martelli, the first missionary in Korea, celebrating his 40th anniversary of passing, songs from the Shenandong Salesian community, and a performance by the Living Hymns Team 17. The second part continued with a mass presided over by Archbishop Kim Hee-jung, the retired Archbishop of the Gwangju Archdiocese and a past pupil of Gwangju Salesian High School. In a world where social challenges become increasingly complex, creativity emerges as a powerful source of innovation to transform society. In this context, it is essential that young people are actively involved in various areas of action. A clear example of this is the recent participation of the Research Club for Scientific Writing, CIRC, at the Maria Auxiliadora Fiscomtional Educational Unit in the Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival with a documentary entitled Young and Climate Change. Through this production, the transformative impact that Salesian education generates in Esmeraldas youth in their commitment to caring for the environment was highlighted. Initiatives like these not only allow young people to be heard, but also to become active agents of a society that demands new ideas. Youth participation in actions to bring about change is very important. Connexion Natural, an audiovisual work by Centro Salesiano Stalca, won the award for the Best Animation in the 8 Best in Class category at the 3rd edition of the Don Bosco Global Youth Film Festival 2024 at the award ceremony held on 18 October in the United States. The 4th graders at the Salesiano Stalca Educational Center worked for 5 months together with teacher Karel Fonseca on the short film made with the stop-motion technique portraying a problem in the Mall region in which ecosystems are harmed by hydroelectric plants. The students will receive a prize of €1,000. In addition, 5 Chilean short films were selected among the 10 best regional films in America South Cone, along with others from Brazil, Argentina, and Uruguay. Each of the teams will receive €1,000 in prize money. The 18th edition of the National Football Championship of the Religious and Diocesan Seminaries of Poland ended on Saturday, 19th October. The championship was organized by the Salesians in Krakow, winners of the last edition. 13 teams from 14 seminars participated in the competition for a total of over 100 players. The winners were once again the students from the Salesian Seminary WSDTS in Krakow, beating the Diocesan Seminary in Tarnow in the final. The championship began on the evening of 18 October and was attended by diocesan seminarians. The religious congregations were represented by the Society of Christ from Poznan, Franciscans from Lodz, Oblates from Obra, Paulines from Krakow and Salesians from Krakow. The matches began on Saturday morning after the Holy Mass presided over by the Superior of the Salesian Province of Krakow, PLS, Father Marcin Kanowski, SDB, and culminated in the final won 2-0 by the Salesians. Cardinal Stanislaw, Archbishop Emeritus of Krakow, who brought a gift for the winners, was invited to the award ceremony and congratulated all the participants. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.